Hello people, welcome again to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can remove background only with the PicsArt application on your mobile phone. Open your PicsArt right away, and then you just need to wait until the PicsArt application is perfectly open. And now you just need to go click this plus button to create a new one, and just pick the picture that you want to remove the backgrounds from. Okay, let me find the picture first. Let's do it this. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look at this bottom feature. There'll be like a lot of options there, so you just need to like slide into the left side, and you just need to go click cut out, and there'll be an option either person, face, clothes, sky. So I will let you do with the person, and it will be like do an auto cut here, and you can also make it more organized by like erase several part that doesn't need to be removed. And right after that, wait a minute, I would like to make it more organized. Okay, and right after that, you just have to click save, and you're done. So that's the way how you can remove the background only with the PicsArt. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.